Hi everyone and welcome. Today in front of me is BaseUs Bowie MA10 headphones, and I'm going to show you how to easily check your firmware version and check for software updates. Let's get started. So at first we have to open our lid, because we want them to connect with our phone. After that we have to open our BaseUs app and click on our device. Now we have to go into settings, and as you can see there is a version over there. That is our firmware version. To check for updates we just have to click on it. That is latest version. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.